In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a machine configuration to control the positive and negative movements of the machine. So here you can see I have a few simple toolpaths, and when I program this, the machine is going to move in one direction, and it's going to do the shortest possible rotation to get to these toolpaths. But what if I want to control this and I want this to rotate a different way? So in the old version of Tebis, you would have to make multiple head files, and in the new version we have what's called a machine configuration. So right here in the NC based machine, under your machine, you can make a new kinematic configuration. Using that same machine head, I can control the position here either positive or negative. So let's make a couple of them. We'll make our configuration 1 positive and our configuration 2 negative. Okay. So now here in my toolpath, I can, under my NC program, I can put actual machine configurations. I just want to make sure that all the heads are going to be the exact same head here. So I'll just make that automatic here in the assign. And then I can right click on my toolpath that I want to change, make a new machine configuration. Here at the bottom where it says CNC+++, I can then choose whichever configuration I want. So I'll just place a couple here. So I'll make this go back and forth. And now let's simulate. Now you can see that the table is going to move in a negative fashion, and then move in a positive fashion for the remaining toolpaths, and then move in a negative fashion for the last toolpath. And that's how you can use a machine kinematic configuration.